Welcome to this video overview of Color Glo International, the world leader in sustainable color restoration and repair. Since 1975, we have been dedicated to renewing and restoring your valuable assets with ISO 9001 certified quality. With a global legacy of excellence, Color Glo has grown to include over 1,100 licensed operators worldwide. We specialize in restoring a wide range of materials, including leather, vinyl, velour, cloth, hard plastics, and wood grain across automotive, marine, aircraft, and commercial furniture markets. Our organization is driven by a new leadership team committed to expansion and market development. CEO James Miller, President Mike Altamimi, and CFO Anthony Verch bring a validated vision focused on practical solutions, global perspective, and sustainable growth for our franchise network. At the heart of Color Glo is our commitment to sustainability. Our resources are eco-friendly, water-based, odorless, and non-toxic. Our processes are ethical, safe for use in confined spaces, and offer extreme efficiency with fast-drying formulas that minimize downtime. In the marine industry, we conquer the elements by reversing damage caused by sun, salt, and sea. We provide deep cleaning, invisible repairs for tears and cracks, and protective UV coatings for boat seats, tops, and enclosures, ensuring your vessel stays in prime condition. Experience the art of total transformation. Whether you want to match factory shades or create entirely custom colors and logos, our science-backed process creates a permanent chemical bond that will not peel, flake, or rub off, providing a complete personality transplant for your interior. Color restoration offers a significant economic advantage over replacement, allowing you to save 70% to 90% of the costs. Beyond direct savings, our process provides hidden value by protecting materials from further rot and increasing the overall resale value of your property. We respect your time by bringing our services directly to you. Whether at a marina, private hangar, office, or home, our mobile service eliminates the hassle of transporting furniture or dry docking boats, getting you back to business or recreation immediately. Our network is recognized for excellence. Color Glo has earned prestigious rankings in the Entrepreneur Franchise 500, FDM 100 Game Changers, and recognition from FranServe, solidifying our reputation for growth, stability, and outstanding franchisee support. Why choose Color Glo? We provide a proven partnership, global leadership with over 40 years of experience, eco-friendly technology, and significant cost savings, all supported by a dedicated executive team and convenient mobile service. Ready to restore? Visit our website at colorglo.com or contact us via email to request a quote or find a location near you. Let us help you renew, restore, and reimagine your world today.